How strong can the word communication be in your school community? Well, I'll say this. In my 35 plus years of coaching and mentoring young people, my communication skills with young people have been at their highest and best in probably the last 4 or 5 years. And the reason being is I made a commitment to two things: to listen and to not judge what I hear from kids. In this day and age, the way kids learn is different. They don't learn and listen with their ears anymore. They listen with their eyes. So communication that you make with kids must be intentional and purposeful. Not only just with students, but also with parents. Parents want to be included, but it's all about how they're communicated with. What type of communication are they getting? Are they just getting information? Information is just that, information. But if it's conversational communication, that allows them to be a part of their children's learning experience. It also allows you to have a support system that you otherwise wouldn't have or didn't think you really had. Many times people want to be a part of something, but they're not given the opportunity to be a part because that red carpet hasn't been rolled out for them per se, or that door hasn't been opened and said, hey, come on in, be a part of what we're trying to achieve here. Because remember, we can accomplish more together than we ever can on our own. And I'll use the acronym TEAM as a part of that. Together, everyone achieves more. So keep the lines of communication open, not just with your students, but also with parents. And parents need to keep their lines of communication open with you. And you need to allow them the opportunity to come to you with their feedback and their communication. And then we're going back to the kids. Allow them to share what's on their minds. You'll be surprised the results that you get. We'll see you in the next video.